Long press star key and press the same fingerprint on sensor 3 times. We'll enter same password and with hash key 2 times. We'll keep the card close to notepad. Long press star key, the voice will promote please verify administrator. Verify administrator and press the same fingerprint on sensor 3 times. We'll enter same password and with hash key 2 times. We'll keep the card close to notepad. Press 3 plus star key and verify administrator. The voice will promote a Wi-Fi configuration and the number 8 starts to flicker. Click Add Device on Home page in App and come to Your Device page. Choose Knock and add it. Press 4 plus hash key. The App will receive a remote unlock request. Click Confirm button will allow it. Navigate cell phone screen and click it. You will get a dynamic password. Enter this password and with hash key and open the door. Click the fourth button to come to the temporary password page. Click Add. Enter 7 numbers, user name, valid period, user times, and telephone number. The user will receive the password by cell phone message, and the user can open the door. Continuous press 3 times followed by hash key. You can switch volume among mute, low, mid, and high. Remove battery cover and non-press reset button for 3 seconds. Then the knock will go back to the initial status.